The first step is to go to hpu.edu/apply. Next, the following screen will be prompted. At the bottom right of the page, you see a link to the visiting student application. Then fill out your information and press the submit button, which should appear on the bottom right corner. Once you have created your password, log back into the portal, select either undergraduate or graduate visiting student application. Next, you'll be prompted to select 4 options. Make sure you select without the intention of pursuing a degree, visiting applicant, on campus, and the respective term. Section 1. Personal information. The fields preceded by a dot are mandatory fields. First and last name must match your names listed in the passport. In the field citizenship, choose other if you don't have an American passport. However, if you also hold an American passport, please choose the option that applies to you. In the field country of citizenship, you'll see a drop-down menu. Section 2. Contact information. Please fill out your mailing address and permanent address. And finally, your phone number. International phone numbers, please enter plus followed by the country code, city code, and your phone number. Section 3. Application information. First, you'll see 2 mandatory fields. Then you'll be given 2 options to select whether you'd like to study for 1 or 2 semesters. After that, you can select whether you're working with an educational agency, and lastly, 2 other mandatory fields. Section 4. Citizenship. Only 2 fields here. First, your country of birth, and second, please upload a copy of your passport. Please note that only PDF format is accepted. Section 5. International Students Supplemental Documents Upload. In this section, you have the option to upload supporting documents needed to process an I-20. Please note, this is not a mandatory field. Section 6. Previous college information. Fill out the name of your home university or your high school. In the section Start Date, please fill out the term when you started your current studies. If you have graduated with more than 1 diploma, you have the option to add additional college information. And the last section, emergency contact information. Please include the information of the person that you would like HPU to contact in case there is an emergency with you. And finally, review your application and press the submit button.